Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Kitchen Knife Sharpener by Vomelon. And as you can see, my kitchen knife is not so sharp because it is old and it cuts so many pieces, and now it's not enough to cut a tomato into slices, of course. Because of this, I bought this kitchen sharpener. It's a knife sharpener, and it has a professional three-stage sharpening system for a straight tungsten diamond ceramic and serrated knives. It sharpens dull knives quickly, easy to use. We will see this later, but first we have to unbox it and have a look what's inside. Yeah, and there it is. What is this? Some stuff is inside. Use instruction, we doesn't need this. Happy? Yes, we are happy with this. And this is one additional part. It's in glove. Okay, nice for your hand. Protects your hand because you are, or while you are sharpening your knives fast and sharp and easy. And there it is, the main product. Ergonomically designed handle with rubber grip. This is and on the bottom side, the non-slip rubber base. This is nice too, and it makes a massive stand on top of your kitchen board. Suitable for indoor use, made to last with a quality stainless steel rod and premium sharpeners for sharp sharpening on even the dullest blades. This is a manual sharpener. It is not an automatic way. You have to insert the blade and slide it through the sharpener. After this, your blades are sharper than before. Easy to extract, as you can see. The main sharpening components you are able to extract to make a clean out with this. Easy under fresh water. Easy to reinstall, as you can see. As you can see, these are the blades inside to make your blades of your kitchen knives sharper again. And it repairs your blade, of course. There are 3 slots. So that means 3-step knife sharpening system. This is awesome, really. It's the first is the diamond sharpening rod. It repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. You have only inside or go inside with the blade of the machine and then pull it to you one time, maybe 2 or 3 times, but you do not have to move into a pulling position. Only you have to slide it gentle through this machine 3 or 4 times each step. This is enough. I will show you now. Good job, as you can see. And now the test. Whoa, this is sharp again. And I did only go straight only 1 time. All 3 steps. Wow, this is awesome. This is a good quality product. Really, you can feel it. And only slide it, pull it down. Yeah. Don't push it, only pull it down. Good job. Step 3, pull it down. You have to do this in a straight direction, easy going. Good job. Sharper knife. I am going to need for this sharpening blade result 30 minutes with my Japanese stones, really. And this is about only 3 minutes. Now I think it's faster, but 3 minutes between 30 minutes, this is nice and easy. Whew. 3-step, easy. This is it's crafted from a solid ABS plastic, diamond and ceramic. It's strong, durable, and these knives will look and work like new. And this is right. I tested this, as you can see, with you on air. And it has a really nice style, and it's safe because of the gloves. Really nice. As you can see, slide it through. Good job. Don't push, only slide. Easy. And as you can see, it's sharper than before. Wow, fingernails, as you can see. Good job. Nice product, easy to use. And I say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.